If you're new to guitar and you've seen chord charts before, but you're not sure how they work, well, you're in the right place, because in less than 4 minutes, I'm going to show you how chord charts work. And that's coming up. Tip number 1. A chord chart is the first 3 frets of this guitar. But we all know you hold the guitar like this. When you're looking at the chord chart, you're looking at it like this. So you got fret 1, fret 2, and fret 3. And we've got the strings in order: 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the thickest string when you're looking at the chord chart, and it has a nut at the top right here, just like the guitar. Hey, if you like my explanation so far and you find it easy, can you click that like button and consider subscribing? If you subscribe, click the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Now let's continue on. You might have a 0 on the top above the nut, and that means it's an open string, meaning you don't put your finger on the string and fret it. It's just open when you play it. Question of the day: how long have you been playing guitar? Leave me a comment, I'd love to know. And on the chord chart, as you can see on this C, there's dots where you're supposed to put your fingers. The X is at the top above the nut on the 6th string. That means do not play that string when you're playing the C chord. Hey, if you want to learn some chords and get a free chord chart PDF, click the next video. Thanks.